Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to install Gmail on your Windows 10 or in your 11. So for this guys, first you need to open any web browser on your PC. So I am opening Google Chrome and now go to your Gmail and log in your Gmail account. After successfully logging your Gmail account, here in the top right side corner of your screen you can get three dots. Just click on it, go to more tools option, and here you can get the option create shortcut. Just click on it. Okay, now it will show you one pop-up as you can see. So just select open as window and just click on create. That's it. Okay, now the Gmail shortcut will create it on your desktop as you can see guys in my desktop screen. So when you need to open the Gmail, now every time you don't need to open the web browser directly from your desktop, you can get your Gmail app, just double click and open it. Okay, now it will quickly open the Gmail as you can see guys. So this is a very nice and very simple method to install a Gmail application for your Windows 10 and in your 11 PC. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.